Now that the court has strongly rejected the state's apprehensions that the ritual could disturb public peace and communal harmony, going forward, do you think this perhaps ended up being a self-goal for the state government?
Definitely, because the state government already in many of their actions they are against the Hindu festivals. Even the chief minister does not wish the Hindus for their festival, and they very arrogantly say even Hindus vote for us, we will be like that only. But this is this core issue. Even the people were undergoing fasting, the people were agitating, and very falsely they were creating a picture there will be a law and order problem, but people were very peacefully agitating for this. So above all these things, sentiments has been respected and the reality is coming true, and we are going to ignite the lamp. So apart from the two things we have to view in this judgment: one, the Hindu sentiments has been respected and the biased activity of the state government, DMK government, has been exposed. The judge has condemned not only the government, the local administration also. So the DMK government should take responsibility for all these things.
Also now being joined by Saram Nidharan from the DMK. Thank you so much for joining me on the broadcast. What's your reaction?
The verdict has come. Of course, we will read the verdict. The Chief Minister and the Chief Secretary of the state, the bureaucracy, and the government will take a decision on the next course of action. But I think it's also wrong to say that DMK is anti-Hindu, because DMK has done more for Hindus than any other party has done. And I think the BJP does not have the local standard to represent all the Hindus, which is another interesting point one has to note. DMK has been elected by the people of Tamil Nadu, more than 50% vote share, right? Which means the Hindus have also voted for the DMK, and BJP's vote share standalone is less than 3%, which means they don't have support of any one single community. They have very minor vote share, which clearly says that we have to listen to the people. As a government, I have to listen first to the voice of the people, and secondly, the institution, that is the police, will give a feedback on what can create law and order issues. And thirdly and foremost, BJP has a pattern of creating communal disharmony before any impending election in any state. That's in place in the early 90s. So based on this, a decision was taken, and the matter is also now sub judice in the Supreme Court. With regards to going for impeachment of the judge, it has nothing to do with the single case alone. It has been how the judge had behaved in the past 3 years, which we all know. And in fact, even 3 months before the verdict, we had gone to the Chief Justice. 1 year before the verdict, a single advocate has gone to the Chief Justice of Madras High Court saying the judge is acting in a partisan manner. So we are confusing all these matters together. And this is my opinion. And you wait, after the verdict will be read, we will come up with a decision.
All right. We hear you. Thank you so much for joining us with your insights on that as well.